Hello, welcome to Academiq AI. Are you looking to simplify complex text for readers who might need extra support? Well, in this video, we will introduce you to the structured AI text tool. It's an AI tool that works as a helpful resource that breaks down any text into smaller, manageable parts. It defines the difficult words and it does include simple questions to enhance the comprehension. Well, let's dive into this magical tool. First, to find it out, you have to find the tool named structured text. Once you find it, you have to simply click on it. You have to give it some, really quick prompts like year level. So, of course, the class in which your students study. So let's say my students study in 10th grade. So I'm going to select that. What about number of literal questions to ask? So I want them to answer, 5 questions, maximum vocabulary words to define. I'll, keep it to 3, okay? And this is a text which is about, black hole, right? Now I have pasted that passage, that paragraph. I have given it the number of questions that I want this AI tool to give me. And I've also told it that define 3, technical terms from that paragraph or passage. That is it. I'm simply going to click on generate and I'll relax and I'll wait for it to transform the challenging text into the easy, accessible one for the readers to understand and enhance their understanding level. And here we are. I hope you can see. See, it has given the same, passage that I had. It has then defined certain vocabulary words. Yes, and then it has also asked some questions to us to enhance, our comprehension skills. Isn't it fantastic? Yes. So thanks for watching. Try the structured text tool today at Academiq AI and make reading accessible for everyone. Happy teaching and happy